Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung battery protection mode. So if you want your Samsung phone battery to last longer, or you want your Samsung phone battery to stop charging automatically whenever it gets to 80%, then you need to change the Samsung battery protection mode. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your Samsung battery protection mode, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down, locate and click on battery. Scroll down, then click on battery protection. Here, you have access to all the battery protection mode feature on your Samsung phone. To start with, turn on battery protection. Then it should say all the basic battery protection mode you can choose from. You have basic, you have adaptive, and then you have maximum. Now, to protect your Samsung phone battery with this protection mode, come here and select maximum. And your Samsung phone will stop charging automatically each time it reaches 80%. And if you want to use basic, your Samsung phone will continue charging each time it gets to 95%, and then the charge will start again. Adaptive is going to use your phone charging system based on the usage. However, to change the Samsung battery protection mode to what can actually protect your Samsung phone battery, just come here and select maximum, and that is going to stop charging when it reaches 80%. And then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to change Samsung battery protection mode. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.